We're going to start today making a macrame keychain. You should have gotten 2 pieces of string, a keychain or a key ring, and a wood bead. What the finished product can either look like is this or this, using the bead or not the bead. So we're going to start with our key ring. You're going to take your first piece of string, and usually one side you'll plan about how big, a little bigger than your normal size keychain, so maybe about this big, and then you're going to bend it. So you'll have one kind of shorter side and one longer side. So the first knot we're going to do is a lark's head. So you're going to put it through the keychain like this, and then you're going to pull the rest of the string through like so. So you'll have one side that's short and one side that's long. So you're going to do the same thing with the other side. Here's about the measurement. Bend it in place. Make sure that your two ends, your two short ends, are close together. So you'll put it through and then pull the string through, so that both of your small strings are in the middle, like so. We're going to grab a piece of tape to keep it in place. So to do our square knot, it will twist like this. You're going to make a number 4, like so. You can see the number 4. Then you're going to lay your extra string over the top like this. Then you're going to, I like to pinch the 3 together and hold it up just a tiny bit. And this one that I laid over the top, I'm going to pull it under those 2. And then you just kind of pull it up to the top, like so. Do the same thing. You're going to make your 4. You're going to lay this one over the top. Then I pinch these in the middle, pull it up just a tad. And this one that's laying over the top goes through. And then you pull it up. Do that one more time. So you're going to do your 4. Then you're going to lay this over the top. You're going to pinch. This one that's laying over the top right here is what goes under those 3. Just pull that knot up. And as you can see, the knot is already starting to twist. So you just keep doing that with the 2 small ones in the middle. They don't ever really get shorter. And then you keep making your 4, 1 over the top, pinch in the middle, and then under those 3, and then you pull it up. So when you get to the length that you would like with the string, you can put your wood bead through these 2 small center ones, and then you put the other 2 on the side. So it'll look something like this. 2 strings in the middle and then strings on the side. And then, or you can just do the twist all the way down. And then you would just take all 4 strings and do your classic knot, just your everyday knot. You pull that through however long you want it. Underneath the beads, the bead would be here, or your whole design would be here. And then you can cut this at any length, and then you unravel these strings and it makes a little tassel like this. So that is our macrame keychain from Temple Public Library. Thanks for watching.